What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going on a bike meet, first one in like forever because of COVID, so this should be pretty interesting. Hopefully got a little bit of rain possibly, but just makes things a little more interesting. Got about a 35-minute ride or so, a little bit on the freeway and the rest in some mountain curves and stuff like that. You guys will be able to hear me on the freeway, but I guess we'll find out. Now, there's a lot of bikes out right now. Oh, we gotta get off here. Not this one, the next one. My bad. I just seen the sign that said Beaumont, so I was like, oh, thinking Beaumont Avenue. Oh, something dead. I don't know what that was, but I was so close to hitting it. Alright, that's enough freeway for me. I wonder if they're still doing construction on the 79. Yeah, the last time I went this way there was. Not a bad ride so far. See ya. pull off into this bike lane. I didn't want to get all the way down there just to find out it was fucking... No, it's in front of us. Okay. So it's basically like the next street. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I think so. No. Should be this one. Turn in here. Yeah, it's right there. This light probably won't read for... Oh, no, it actually did. Wow. There's like 2 people here. What a turnout, man. Oh. Nope. Alright, everybody. Well, that was bike night. It's pretty cool. A bunch of people showed up afterwards and just kicked it, met some new people. Got some cool rides coming up, so that's pretty dope. Oh. As you can tell, it's dark time now, so we were there for a minute. Don't know how well the footage is gonna show up, because GoPros suck at low light, but guess we'll find out. Do me a favor and let me know what you think of this type of video. It's like bike meetups and stuff. If you guys like them, we'll do more of them. Just leave a like on the video and comment down below what you guys think. It really helps us out, so we know what kind of content to make for you guys. What makes you all tingle inside, you know? No, I'm stuck out in the intersection.